The bid-ask spread signifies the variance between the bid and ask values. The ask price is also recognized as the offer price. It signifies the distinction between what the buyer and seller are pricing. The bid indicates the demand, while the ask symbolizes the supply for an asset. In simpler terms, it denotes what the purchaser is ready to pay versus what the vendor is willing to receive to finalize the sale. The spread is the expense of executing a transaction. Price takers purchase at the ask price and vend at the bid price. Market makers, on the other hand, purchase at the bid price and sell at the ask price. In Forex trading, you are classified as a price taker. Your Forex broker functions as the price maker or market maker. This implies the bid represents the rate at which the Forex broker is prepared to purchase the base currency from you in exchange for the counter currency. The ask price is the rate at which the Forex broker is prepared to sell the base currency to you in exchange for the counter currency. For you, as the price taker, the spread is the difference between the purchase, ask, and sale, bid rates. A simple comparison is to visualize visiting an automobile dealership. You spot a car you're interested in and inquire about its cost. The car dealer asks for $20,000. Observe how the ask price originates from the car dealer's perspective. This signifies that the dealer is willing to sell you the car for $20,000. Now, suppose you're intrigued but wish to trade in your current truck. The car dealer bids $5,000 for the truck. Note how the bid price is presented from the car dealer's viewpoint. This indicates that the dealer is prepared to buy your truck for $5,000. If you believe you can secure a better price for the truck, you have the option to gather bids from other individuals as well. Your Forex broker resembles the car dealer, allowing you to employ these analogous principles in Forex trading. In essence, the spread is the difference between the buying, ask, and selling bid rates provided on your trading platform, and it is incurred when initiating or closing a position. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Click the link in the description to join our Telegram group and watch us trade. Happy trading!